Hey everyone, it's Ashley here from The Recipe Rebel, and today we are making a cream cheese glazed coconut bread. I know that a lot of people either love coconut or they hate it, but around here we are big coconut lovers, and this bread is a new favorite. It's so moist and has such awesome flavor. It's great for a special breakfast or an Easter brunch. We're gonna start by adding our Greek yogurt and our eggs and our oil into the bowl and whisking them together. Next, we're gonna add our coconut milk, vanilla extract, and coconut extract. We're just gonna give them another quick stir until they're combined. And lastly, we're gonna add our dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and shredded coconut. If you wanted to make this extra special and you have a few minutes, you can toast up the coconut in the pan until it's light golden brown. It will add even more amazing coconut flavor. So the most important thing when stirring in the dry ingredients is not to overmix. We want to give them a stir just until everything is moistened and you don't see any dry bits of flour anymore. This will keep your loaf nice and moist. So now that our bread is baked, we're gonna mix up our cream cheese glaze. We have a little bit of cream cheese in the bowl. It's important that it is room temperature so that it blends smoothly. And then we're gonna mix in a little bit of milk or cream and some powdered sugar, and that's it. We're gonna drizzle it over our loaf, and it's time to taste test. So that's how you make my coconut bread with cream cheese glaze. I am so excited to dig into this. For the full recipe, head over to thereciperebel.com.